How to log into Singapore Airlines account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in Singapore Airlines and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, singaporeairlines.com. Just go ahead and click on it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, over here you will see the option of Sign In. Go ahead and click on it. Login section will appear. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your account's credentials. So go ahead and fill this. Type in your email or the username, then type in the password. If you have forgotten the password, you can click on the option Forget Password to recover it. After you fill this, click on Sign In, and just for that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Singapore Airlines account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.